Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the world of load balancers, what they are, why they're essential, and where you might use them in enterprise applications. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a load balancer? Imagine you're at a busy restaurant with only one chef. That chef would get overwhelmed pretty quickly, right? Now, imagine there are multiple chefs sharing the workload. That's essentially what a load balancer does. It distributes incoming network traffic across multiple servers to ensure no single server becomes a bottleneck. Now, why is this important? Well, think about it. In today's digital age, applications need to be available 24/7. Downtime can cost a company big time, both in revenue and reputation. Load balancers help maintain high availability and reliability by balancing the load and preventing server overload. Where are load balancers used? They're pretty much everywhere. Any enterprise application that needs to handle a large volume of traffic can benefit from a load balancer. E-commerce websites, online gaming platforms, and even cloud services, load balancers are the unsung heroes keeping these systems running smoothly. All right, let's talk types. There are mainly two kinds of load balancers, hardware and software. Hardware load balancers are physical devices. Think of them as the heavy-duty chefs in our kitchen analogy. They offer robust performance and are often used in large-scale enterprise environments. On the other hand, software load balancers are more flexible. They're installed on virtual machines or cloud instances, making them ideal for dynamic cloud-native applications. But that's not all. We also have Layer 4 and Layer 7 load balancers. Layer 4 load balancers operate at the transport layer. They route traffic based on IP address and port. They're like the kitchen manager who directs orders to different chefs based on the table number. Layer 7 load balancers, however, operate at the application layer. They can make more intelligent routing decisions based on the content of the request, like a head chef who knows which chef is best for each dish. Let's put this into a schematic. Picture a network where users' requests first hit the load balancer. The load balancer then distributes these requests to multiple servers, ensuring no single server is overwhelmed. It monitors server health and can reroute traffic if a server goes down, ensuring seamless user experience. Finally, let's look at some real-world applications. For an e-commerce website, a hardware load balancer can handle massive traffic spikes during sales events. In contrast, a cloud-based application might use a software load balancer for its scalability and cost-effectiveness. Online gaming platforms often rely on Layer 7 load balancers to manage user sessions and ensure smooth gameplay. And there you have it. A quick rundown on load balancers, their types, and their uses in enterprise applications. Whether you're dealing with high traffic volumes or ensuring application reliability, load balancers are a crucial tool in your IT toolkit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.